Hello friend, today I will show you how to fix S45 application something went wrong problem. This step follow me carefully. Let's get started. First step, open your phone setting and scroll now. Click apps option and tap manage apps option and wait now. On your mobile data and scroll now and tap S45 application. Scroll now. Tap S45 application and tap storage option. Click clear data option. Tap now clear cache and tap clear all data option. Go to back. Open your App Store and Play Store application and search now S45 application. Update now your application and open now. Check your internet connection and log in now. Your problem 100% solved.